Hello everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through a clear and easy process to create an account on Binance, the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the world. If you register using the link in the description below, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with extra bonus rewards. Make sure to use the link provided. First, I'll show you how to create an account on Binance. Clicking the link in the description below will take you directly to the Binance registration page. Here, you'll find a 20% discount on trading fees, as well as a variety of bonus rewards. You can create your account using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Make sure to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions below. Then, click Continue. Select the image that matches the word shown on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number, so enter the code you received to verify your account. Next, set up a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If you see the inviter code field, enter the code SKY222. Using this code will give you a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Be sure to enter the code before finishing your registration. After completing these steps, your account will be successfully created. Next, let's go through the identity verification process. You must complete verification to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Because this process involves facial recognition, we will continue using a mobile device. Download the Binance app on your phone. Launch the Binance app, and sign in with the account you just registered. You will be redirected to the identity verification screen. First, choose your nationality. I'll choose India. And continue with the identity verification process. Please select one of the available documents. I'll go with passport verification. Tap Take pictures to capture photos of your passport. Then, click Continue. Now, align the passport's photo page within the camera frame, and take a photo. Ensure there is no glare or shadow in your document. Next, we'll move on to facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The identity verification process is now complete. After roughly 1 hour of review, your status will be updated to verified. Next, we'll set up Google Authenticator. Please go back to your PC screen. In the left menu, click Account, and then select Security. We'll set up security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Be sure to enter the code you receive. A QR code will appear on the screen. Next, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Open the Google Authenticator app, tap the button at the bottom right, and choose Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator into the app code field. Your two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator is now successfully set up. Next, I'll demonstrate how to do peer-to-peer trading on Binance. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner of the screen. As you can see here, the Spot wallet is used for spot trading and storing your main assets. And the Futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Buy with USD Peer-to-Peer. Check the agreement box and click Start Trading. To buy crypto, select Buy. And then select USDT. Compared to BTC or USD, USDT generally offers the most favorable rates. Here, select a cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount. Next, choose your preferred payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. I recommend trading with advertisers who have a high number of completed orders. Look for advertisers with high ratings and a strong completion rate. Click Buy USDT next to the advertiser you want to trade with. Be sure to carefully read the advertiser's terms before making a purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy, then click Buy USDT. You'll see the advertiser's name, bank account ID, and a QR code. Before completing the payment, carefully check the seller's chat messages. Go ahead and make the deposit using your chosen payment method. Then return to Binance. Click Transfer, notify seller. Upload and send between 1 and 3 proof of payment documents to the seller. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. After a moment, tap the wallet icon in the top right corner, and select Spot. Afterwards, you can check to confirm that your USDT has been successfully deposited. Next, I'll show you how to trade futures on Binance. Before you begin, transfer your coins from the Spot wallet to the futures wallet. Click on the Spot wallet, then select Transfer at the top right corner. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USDM futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coin will be successfully moved to your futures wallet. Now, to start trading futures, click on Futures in the top menu. Select USDM futures. You'll now see the futures trading screen. Click the button at the top left corner to choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade. On the right-hand menu, you can customize your futures trading settings in detail. Click this button to select margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open positions. The isolated mode uses only part of your margin to open positions. For beginners, I recommend using the safer isolated margin mode. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage can increase potential profits, but it also increases the risk of liquidation. For beginners, I suggest trading with a safer leverage of 3x to 5x. Next, click this button to select the order type. A limit order lets you set the price at which you want to buy or sell. A market order is executed immediately at the best available market price. Directly below, you can see your available margin. Here, you can specify the trading price and the amount. Finally, select a position direction. If you anticipate the price will go up, select Buy Long. If you expect the price to fall, choose Sell Short. Click the Positions button at the bottom, and you can see all your open positions. The entry price represents the average price of your position. The mark price indicates the current market reference price. If the price reaches the liquidation level, the position will be automatically closed. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Click the pencil icon next to TPSL on your position to set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, to close your position, under the Market Close All button, select either Market or Limit to exit your position. After that, you'll see that your position has been successfully closed. In today's video, I demonstrated in a simple and easy-to-follow manner how to register on Binance and trade futures. Your subscriptions and likes really help support our video content. Thank you for watching until the end today.